I just checked in and we are on 1724.
17th floor, going down.
Alright, ma'am. 1724. This way. Let's do it. Just made it to the hotel. Nice to meet you.
This is key lime pie.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Now we'll be exploring Short North and then German Village. It started to snow. This is it. We are at the North Market. It's getting bad on snow. This is kind of cool. Wine on high. Sounds great. Whoa, look at this. So where's the collection from? Is it made? It's from Turkey?
Everything is from Turkey.
That's awesome. So beautiful.
Caravan treasures from Turkey. We are on in the short north, 771 North High Street.
Look at this mirror right here.
Very little plaque charm for you.
Thank you so much.
Nazar, Greeks call it Greek eye.
Thank you.
Story goes back to 3000 BC.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
Lose it or break it, don't feel bad, it means it worked.
Really?
Enjoyable tradition.
Thank you so much. This is so cool. I love to get in my winter clothes, and these guys look really cozy, you know. Wow. For you. That's awesome.
You know, curate and all that.
That's awesome. And is that like California or what does that mean?
Chunky Armadillo, the name of the store.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't even know the name of the store. I'm so ashamed of myself, you know. So are these like 50% off? The ones on this corner?
And then everything is just washed in.
That's awesome. I'll check them out in a minute. Wow, look at this.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Really?
How does it feel?
Retro style.
That's the bomb. I love it. Look at that.
I like this a lot. I have one sweatshirt of the same color, but this is the next level.
It has a nice little bell sleeve. What do you think?
It goes with the shoes and everything, I guess. That's
Yes.
the difference.
You have a great style.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have some great collection.
Thank you.
Yeah, I do see that the ones with the paper.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All of the price tags have the location where
Yeah.
they're from. Yeah.
I do see that. That's awesome though. I actually
Taco truck.
Wow, I actually thought that these are like small handbags, and then I realized these are birdhouses. They're so cute. Local cantina. I've been to the one that's on the South Street. This one looks great too. The late night slice. This is like hi. Can I get the pepperoni slice?
Was it good?
All set for day 2. Last night we explored the North Shore, and today we are going to the German village. Let's go. Our Uber is here. How are you? Feels so good to be in this park right now. Looking at the street details, I kind of have the German feels now. You see our church right there? So that's where we're going now. Almost there. 2 minutes away. She's so beautiful. Look at her eyes. St. Mary's Church. That's where we are. Garden of Peace. I'm not sure if you can go in here, but I'm gonna sneak in.
If you want some heaven, just let me know.
So this is the Book Loft. Whoa, it looks great. They're open until 11 p.m. We are going to stop by and buy a book, maybe to give to a friend. Let's go grab a coffee and then get back to work. Oh yeah. Hi, can I get a chai latte and a double?
Okay, so the chai latte?
Yes. And then can I also get a blueberry muffin to go? That should be it.
Alright, 710. Oh my gosh, sorry, I want to look at your ring. I saw it sparkle. That's pretty.
Thank you.
If you want some heaven, just let me know. If you want some heaven, just let me know.
Hi. And the coffee is ready. Good.
Been in there before?
No.
It is worth going to. It's
Sure.
amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
It is so much larger than you think it is, and you will get lost.
Thanks for making my coffee. I'll see you in the evening if you're here. Bye. Hi. Hello.
They're sisters.
Are they twins?
Yeah. Well, Matilda is the runt, so she's a lot smaller than Ma's, her older sister. But they're littermates.
Guys, they're so beautiful now. They are. Hi.
Girls, yeah. Have a great day.
You too. So we are on our way to the Book Loft that we saw this morning, and maybe after that the plan is to go grab some food in the German village. And we are what, 5 minutes away? Yes, just 5 minutes away. With the homeboy. He says he loves North Carolina too. So we're here. Look what they have. the sofas. Play-Doh. They have Lincoln. Obama is right here. Karl Marx. Philosophy is a thing, right? There's books about New York, America. There's basically everything here. Vacation planning. This store is worth coming back. And the books are never ending.
And you will get lost. And you will get lost.
Insane. So they basically have 32 rooms filled with books, ghosts and astrology, and symbols, religion, bunch of travel guides. Here you go, India. They have Ganesha. This is so cool. Love is love is love is love. Yeah.
You know, classical music is your thing.
We're trying to grab some food. I think the one that I ordered was the chicken paprikash and then the sauerkraut ball. Our food is here. So I think this is the chicken dumpling and then these are the balls with potato stuff. Here's few other must-visit places. Last but not the least, Schmidt's is my favorite German eatery with live oompah music. And not forget their cream puff. Trust me, the flavor is iconic. All set and ready to check out the hotel today. So that's my take on two beautiful neighborhoods of Columbus, Short North and German Village. Hit subscribe if you liked it and I'll see you guys later.